On June 16, 2025, President Trump signed a sweeping order to speed up deportations at the U.S. border. The new policy aims to quickly remove people who cross without permission, cutting wait times from years to just weeks or months. Supporters say it's a necessary step to control the border and discourage illegal entry. Critics argue it creates fear for families and raises tough questions about America's responsibilities to those seeking help. The Efficient and Secure Border Processing Directive gives border agents more power to deport recent arrivals rapidly. For thousands seeking safety or a new life, this is a dramatic shift. The administration claims the long wait for court dates encourages more migration. This order is meant to close that loophole. Trump's approach now focuses on fast removals, not just making entry harder. The policy has sparked a national debate about fairness, security, and compassion. It changes the daily work of border agents, lawyers, and judges. For many, it means more uncertainty and anxiety about the future. The new policy expands expedited removal nationwide. Now anyone who can't prove 2 years of continuous U.S. residence can be deported quickly, no court hearing, no judge. Immigration officers can make removal decisions on the spot, giving them unprecedented power. Migrants at the border will be detained and face a tougher, faster, credible fear interview. Failing this interview means near immediate deportation. The administration says this will clear court backlogs and make the system more efficient. Critics warn it strips away legal protections and risks sending people back to danger. The process is now much faster but also much less detailed. Many who once waited years for a hearing could now be removed in days. The stakes for migrants have never been higher. For families fleeing violence, the new rules mean detention and a high-pressure interview soon after arrival. If they can't prove credible fear, they're sent back quickly, even if danger awaits. Migrants living in the U.S. less than 2 years face sudden deportation with no chance to see a judge. Mixed-status families are at risk of separation. Undocumented parents could be deported, leaving U.S. citizen children behind. The policy forces impossible choices: take children to an unfamiliar country or leave them in the U.S. The fear of deportation affects daily life. Work, school, and even seeking medical care become fraught with anxiety. Many may avoid reporting crimes or interacting with authorities. The emotional toll is severe, especially for children. The new rules don't just change legal procedures, they reshape lives and futures. Communities across the nation feel the impact. The threat of sudden removal hangs over thousands. For many, hope is replaced by fear. The policy has ignited fierce debate. Supporters call it common sense and necessary for border security. Critics say it's cruel, denies due process, and puts lives at risk. Legal challenges are already underway. Groups like the ACLU argue it violates migrants' rights. Courts may block or delay the policy, possibly sending the issue to the Supreme Court. The administration hopes quick deportations will deter migration, but experts doubt it will stop those fleeing danger. Some fear it will push migrants to take riskier routes, increasing deaths and straining resources. The long-term effects remain uncertain, but the policy will shape the immigration debate for years. For now, the future of thousands hangs in the balance.